Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, hey baby girls, hey bulls, how you guys doing? Anyway guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of bold, colorful eye makeup ish situation going on my face. Okay, it was super easy, effortless. You're good to go. Getting life twisted like I had it on my mind as I thought. I was thinking maybe it's going to be a little bit dramatic because I saw it on the gram, so I decided to give it a try, and which was, you know what I mean, you know how we do it here. If you're interested, no long talking today, no long twerking, no long rambling. Okay, so if you're interested, you want to see how I put this eye and lip combo look together, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the section below. Let me know your thoughts, what you think is helpful and all those jazz. Okay, thank you. All the products I use I'm going to be listed down below. I use the Beautyglazed palette to achieve this eye look, and I think I use one palette to achieve this look. I call it for mama. Okay, as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Love is take care, ciao. So guys, to primer, I'm going to be taking the L.agirl Pro Concealer in the shade Nude. Sephora blending brush. Setting powder. I'm just going to dip in my brush and set it just a very tiny bit. Look, I'm going to be taking the Beautyglazed palette, this color right here, over the rainbow. I'll be taking this L'Oreal Prime Virgin brush, this purple, this one right here. I'm just going to let me explain. Basically, I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. I'm just going to start, make a V like this. Let's make a V. As you can see, I think I need a little bit setting powder so that we don't have any messed up. Sorry to my crease. On my halfway, I'm not going to transfer it direct to my inner corner, just right there. So right now I'm satisfied with my outer crease at the moment. So right now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Prime V1 brush, this brush right here, a smaller pointed round brush, beautiful kind of dark purple bluish, this beautiful shade right here. I still want that purple to be showing. I don't want to lose it at all, but I'm still going to go ahead and apply later on after I apply this blue shade on top. Blending it out, but I'm not blending it towards my inner corner area. I just want to diffuse it around that color I apply first. To dip in my brush once again into this beautiful purple. Yes, I'm loving it, baby girls. So right now, time to blend out the edges. The edges is the game of the makeup period. I'm going to be taking my Magnificent brush right here. It's kind of fluffy, as you can see. Beautiful pink right here. This one right here. That is going to be my edges color. That makes sense. Super pigment. Brow bone is still bare. Okay, don't blend your brow bone at all. Okay, your brow bone have a specific shade for it. Okay. So I'm just dabbing it like so, as you can see. So yes, and after dab, just softly blend with a very soft hand. Okay, and then transfer your hand towards your outer corner, outer V, if that makes sense. You see that, you see that, you see that, you see how it pop. Okay, okay, yes. I'm blending, but very softly. Okay, very softly. So when we apply our brow bone shade, we can blend everything seamless. Okay, this look, guys, I just love the look. The vibe is real. The vibe is lit. It's lit, you know what I mean? Let me stop. Or should I take this shade? No, I'm taking this shade, guys. This is going to be perfect for my brow bone. If not, we still go ahead and switch it to another color. Yeah, baby girl. Yeah, baby girl, you see what we are talking. And take that brush, the one I used to apply the pink. I'm just going to blend it out. Yes, yes, baby girl, yes. That's what we are swacking all over my lid. I'm just going to be taking this tart shape tip concealer in Turn Sun, taking this Smashbox brush right here, the one I used to blend in my brow bone concealer earlier on off camera. Okay, I'm just going to do like so. Just watch me do. This concealer has a lot of coverage, so I just had to be careful. I'm just going to go ahead and dab that. Just watch me do that. Okay. You see that? That's how we do it, baby girl. Yes. Yes. And the blue is still going on, girls. Luvia Virgin brush. I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. This beautiful neon lemon green. Oh, girl, what are you doing? Girl, what are you sucking? Girl, what are you hold on. Shh, hold on. To be taking this beautiful yellow shade right here. You get what you're talking? You get what she doing? You get what she doing? Let me come to line my eye. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. So I'm going to be taking this purple, apply it on my inner corner, and I'm going to be taking this blue. I'm going to apply it on my outer corner. This Williams mascara. Taking the Alverde lip liner, I'm just going to line my lips. We're taking this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Driver 55. So for lip gloss, I'm going to be taking the Fentybeauty lip gloss diamond milk. Gloss it up, baby girls. Hey, what you talking? I know. What are you thinking? Please comment and let me know. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to do I'll be right back. Let me fix my wig, highlight my face, my cheekbone to the guts. Okay, stick around.